Look at how futuristic your chart is going to look when you see these powerful TradingView indicators. It's honestly amazing how precise they are across different market conditions. Even if you're a complete beginner with little to no trading experience, you can set this up and start making profits with ease. In this simple step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use these indicators properly and give you a full trading strategy with money management rules that can help you become consistently profitable. The best part? Every single one of these tools is totally free and hardly anyone even knows they exist yet. That's exactly why you should hit that like button right now and subscribe to Income Nomad so you don't miss out on the latest technical analysis setups. Now, it's worth pointing out that this tool works not only for crypto trading, but also for stocks, futures, and forex pairs. The most effective time frames for using this indicator are 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. Now, let's move on to applying these indicators to the chart step by step. First, log into your TradingView account and open the super chart. For this example, I'm looking at Solana on the 1 hour time frame. Go to the Indicators tab and search for the first tool called Phantom Flow Trend Detector. At first, you won't see anything on the chart. To make it visible, double-click on any candle. That will open the chart settings. The next step is to disable candle bodies and wicks, and your chart should now look like this. The trend detector calculates waves using the built-in zigzag tool and identifies trend changes based on new highs and lows. When you see pink or light yellow showing up, it signals that a fresh trend could be starting right now, and you can catch it near the beginning. If the patterns from your own trading system line up with the trend detector in the same direction, the odds of success increases even more. On the other hand, if the trend shows red or green, that usually means the main impulse has already happened, and it might not be the best time to enter. Still, if you jump in right at the start of a red or green phase, your risk of entering too late stays low. Keep in mind, the Phantom Flow Trend Detector is more of a trend filter. You can't buy or sell directly off it alone. That's why we'll add a second indicator. This one is called Super Trend X4 with Cloudfill and was created by this amazing author. It's straightforward to use and gives a really accurate picture of the current trend. It works with two main parameters, period and multiplier. With 4 super trends and cloud fields layered together, it provides a much clearer view of both higher and lower time frame trends for any market you're trading. By default, the super trend uses 10 as the average true range period. You can apply it to equities, futures, forex, or even crypto across minutes, hourly, daily, and weekly charts. The main limitation is that it doesn't perform well in sideways markets. That's where this setup helps because it gives you the option to sit out when the market ranges. It's a good idea to experiment with the inputs for different markets and time frames, but to keep things simple, I'll stick with the default settings here. We will, however, need to tweak the style section. Go in and uncheck the long and short labels for sets 1, 3, and 4. We'll only use the buy and sell signals from the set 2. Now, let's add the final confirmation tool to the chart. But don't worry, I know you might be scratching your head and telling yourself, oh, I'm on the free plan of TradingView, I'm only able to use 2 indicators on the chart. Make sure to watch the entire tutorial until the end because I will show you different approaches and different indicators and tools to go around it and use more than just 2 indicators on the free plan, actually up to 40 of them, all for free. Now, at intraday volume rating by this amazing author. Big shout out to all the authors, by the way. This indicator gives a much clearer picture of what volume is actually saying on intraday charts. It counts how many bars exist in a day on your chosen time frame, and then creates a matrix for its calculations. When trading volume is strong, the bars show up large and green. When volume is weak, the green bars appear below the middle line. The gray bars represent the top level. Every time you get a big spike in volume during a trend continuation, it often leads to even stronger moves. Using volume this way helps us stack the odds heavily in our favor. Okay, now the setup is complete. Let's go over the exact rules for opening trades, both long and short. Starting with the long trade. First, you need a long signal printed on the chart by the fastest super trend. To confirm that long, all of the other super trends also need to be green. Never enter a trade if even one of the super trends is gray. It's also smart to avoid trades if all the super trends flip from bearish to bullish at the exact same time, because that usually leads to a quick correction. Next, make sure the candle bar is green at the time of the signal. If it's yellow or purple, that can work too, but green is best. After that, check the volume histogram. The bar should be large and green, and ideally bigger than the previous ones. If the bar size is strong enough to push the price higher, you can expect more upside in the near future. Enter the long trade at the close of the candle, then set your stop loss just a couple of pips below the super trend line. For your target, aim for at least double the risk. Now, let's flip it and look at a short trade. Wait for a super trend to issue a short signal. Then confirm that the other super trends are also showing bearish. The candle at the time of entry needs to be red. Finally, look for a strong volume bar forming right as the signal appears. Enter the short trade after the close of that candle. Place your stop loss just above the super trend line, and again, target at least 2 times your risk. Traders, I'm glad I could share this strategy with you. Remember to always backtest this or any other strategy you see on Income Nomad. Oh, as I promised you earlier, make sure to watch the recommended videos on your screen, not only to learn how to use more than just 2 indicators on the free plan of TradingView, but also make sure to check the playlist which I've showed you different approaches to turn any trading strategy, including this one, into a bot with alerts so it does the job for you 24/7 while you're not around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.